Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to resolve the issue required. This one could not find the White Android syllable video preview. Okay, searched for this one. Okay, so we are using the React Native video, which we are trying to show the video in the Android React Native. So I'm facing the issue like could not find the White Android scalable video preview in 1.0. Okay, so how we are going to solve this issue in the coming video, we will implementing the how to play the video in the React Native. So this is the initial step that I am facing the issue while installation of the React Native video. So how to solve this issue? So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go with the our build gradle. So it is Android build gradle, right? Android build gradle, and in the all repositories you need to add this one, right? Okay, you need to add this one. You don't need to write in the here repositories, right? You need to add it in this all repository section. JCenter's content include yqrit android scalable video. After saving this, you need to rerun this, right? You can see that there is no error, so error is gone, and I'm successfully able to build the project. You can see that waiting for target devices to come online, and I'm successfully able to install the build. So if you are facing this issue, just let me just you have to implement this solution. Any issue, any query, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.